A little something about Raymond. He's an investor in stocks and rentals. He wants no money from you, no bait and switch, nothing. Here's what he's going to do. He's going to log into his personal account, share real estate property documents, and give you suggestions on what to read.
Good morning. Today is Thursday, July 9, 2020. And I'm logging into my Fidelity account. So we're going to look at my GM 401k and see where we are. So let me log in. And I think I'm going to be happy because the stock market has been doing really, really well. And I hope I don't jinx it today and it goes down. But so far, so good. So let's log all the way in. All right, we are in. And again, I have two 401ks, a General Electric and a General Motors. So General Motors. And let's click here and log in. Click here. And I knew it. I'm doing better than the last video. So I'm at 61,117 and some change. And let's look at the rate of return. And this is as of yesterday. So as of July 8th, 2020. So again, today is the 9th, but all the numbers you see here are based on yesterday, July 8th, 2020. And I know I improved a little bit here. So I believe this was either a high negative 13 point something or maybe even negative 14. So I'm doing a little better. And let's scroll down and take a look at my asset class. So if you take a look here, I'm more in the bonds, almost 50% bonds, and actually about 50-50, because if you add all the stuff up here, I'm probably 50% stocks and 50% bonds. And scroll all the way down. Beginning balance January of this year, I was at a little over 68,000, and up until yesterday, I'm down 9,200, which should equate to or pretty close to this percentage if we did the math calculations. But as you know, we don't like to do too much math at stocksandrentals.com because I like to keep it for beginners. But you sophisticated people out there, if you guys want to get your calculator out, knock yourself out. So let's compare this number to our old video, which I think was 8 days ago. So here's my website, stocksandrentals.com. Let's go to the menu. Let's go to portfolio tracking. And let's scroll down to our GM 401k. So on June 29th, I uploaded a video and the value of my account. So on this date, on June 29th, 2020, my value was 59,316 and some change. And I believe that was 9 days ago. So within 9 days, I made a little over $1,800. And again, I'm in the market and I'm chilling. So in those 9 days, I didn't do anything. It's the pandemic. I'm at the crib, I'm chilling, I'm making money in the stock market. Eventually, I will lose a little bit in the stock market, but we're not talking about that. We're talking about making it. So that's what I did in the 8 days. I made money. All right, so let's go back to the 401k. And between the the date I just talked about and yesterday's date, I did do some changes within the 401k. So I sold some things and I bought some things. So let's go to transaction history. Click on that. And then we will click on transaction history again. And this is showing you what I did within the account over the last 30 days. So I just want to point out what I sold. So I sold this RIT index on the 30th. So I got rid of that. So it's almost six grand. This is emerging market index fund I was in. So that was not too much, almost 62 bucks. I was in this index, and don't ask me what the abbreviations are, but I got rid of almost a little over $250, and this is a conservative index fund I was in, and I had 26,000. So I exchanged everything in red out, and then I bought or exchanged in this. This is a bond fund, so I exchanged in here, and yep, I put everything here into this fund. Let's click on show details. Yep. So this is what I did. So really quick video. I just wanted to, show you the progression of from June, what was that? June 29th until July 8th. What happened in my GM 401k? All right, guys. This is where you want to be, stocksandrentals.com. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks.